Hey guys, it's Miss Dickerson, and I'm going to show you how you can turn in your assignments on Google Classroom. So from the home screen, click Google Classroom, choose our class. The first thing you see is the stream, and the stream is really busy. I don't really like to see the stream. I like to choose classwork. It's in the middle. For classwork, you're going to look at each one of the assignments, and we are going to do today's assignment, which is March 27th. And on March 27th, I have two things I need to do for language arts. The first thing is iStation, and then the second thing is just a reminder to complete IXL Language Skill V. Most of you have already done that, so you're good. You can move on to math. For math, I need you to do 3 videos. Watch these 3 videos. And then number 4 says on Google Classroom, we need to complete the assignment for 3D shapes. It says write or type the name for each shape. Look down at the bottom of your screen. It says your work. Do the arrow up. And this is where you do your work and turn it in, okay? So this is Max's, but yours will say your name right there. You'll click on that yellow thing that says your name. And this is your copy of your work. So it says at the very beginning, on each slide, write or type the name of each 3D shape below each picture. And I gave you a word bank there. Do you see the pen at the top? You're going to click the pen. And you're going to scroll over to your next slide. So I know that a peanut butter jar is a cylinder. So I can use my pen and I can write cylinder. Or I could move over to that underlined A and I could do the text box. I know this is a rectangular. Oh, I can't remember how to spell prism. Oh yeah, I can go back and use the word bank. There's prism, P-R-I-S-M. Rectangular, P-R-I-S-M. Rectangular prism. Oh no, now it's all mixed up. That's okay. Grab the box. I think we can move it over. Let's see. Oh, this is turning into a mess. How can I get rid of this? Let me see here. Oh, there's an eraser? There it goes. Okay, I'm going to try rectangular prism again. I'm going to use the letter A. Rectangular P-R-I-S-M. Prism. Good. Now that looks better. I like that a lot. Okay. This is a grape is the shape of a sphere. And this right here is a cube. Now remember, if typing is not your friend, you can always use the pen and write cube. And if you make a mistake, you can always erase, okay? And then you'll go on to the next slide, writing the names of the 3D shapes. Now, when you are done, you're going to click Save up at the top, and it takes a minute because you've worked so hard. It takes a minute to save all of your work. So just wait. We're going to wait for it to save, and it's done. Good. Now, it's just like in the classroom. Miss Dickerson gives me my paper, I do the work, and now I have to turn it in. We always have to turn our work in. So I'm going to click the X at the top, and my work is right there. See that red box that says edited? That means I did my work. Okay, and now I'm going to do the most important part. I'm going to turn it in. And that's it. It says it's turned in. Miss Dickerson has my work. I'm going to look over it. I may write some notes and send it back to you to fix, or I could just give you a 100 for your hard work and your correct answers. And that's it. You can do the arrow down. You've turned in your work, and it says your work turned in. That's it. And you're done. Isn't that awesome? Now, I do remember one more step. Number 5 said that today is the last day to complete IXL Math Skill W. So I'll need to make sure I do that, right? and then I'm done for the day. This is what your assignments will look like each week. Okay? All right, guys, let me know if you have any questions.